Once upon a time, in a world troubled by conflicts and discord, there lived a remarkable diplomat named Alexander. Alexander was known far and wide as the Global Peacemaker. He had dedicated his life to resolving conflicts and promoting peace on a global scale, fostering understanding and unity among nations. From a young age, Alexander had witnessed the devastating consequences of war and strife. He believed that diplomacy held the key to resolving differences and creating a harmonious world. With unwavering determination, he set out on his mission, traveling to countries ravaged by conflict, meeting with leaders, and engaging in heartfelt conversations. Alexander possessed a unique gift, the ability to see the underlying humanity in every person he encountered, regardless of their nationality or beliefs. He believed that the path to peace started with empathy and understanding. He spent countless hours listening to the concerns and grievances of both sides, working tirelessly to find common ground. One of his most challenging missions took him to the war-torn region of Zandoria, where two neighboring countries, Calandria and Eldoria, had been locked in a bitter conflict for decades. The people on both sides had grown weary of the never-ending violence and longed for peace. Upon arriving in Zandoria, Alexander immersed himself in the local culture and gained the trust of the communities. He met with the leaders of Calandria and Eldoria separately, carefully listening to their grievances, fears, and aspirations. He recognized that their shared history and territorial disputes lay at the heart of the conflict. With great wisdom, Alexander devised a plan to bring the leaders of both nations together for a series of peace talks. He understood that true peace could only be achieved when people had a chance to sit face to face, to see the common humanity that connected them, and to find solutions that benefited everyone involved. For months, Alexander facilitated intense negotiations, patiently guiding the leaders toward compromise and reconciliation. He tirelessly reminded them of the importance of future generations and the legacy they would leave behind. Slowly but surely, the walls of distrust began to crumble, replaced by a growing understanding and empathy. At long last, after countless hours of discussions and negotiations, the leaders of Calandria and Eldoria agreed to a historic peace treaty. Alexander's dedication and unwavering commitment had transformed a region torn by conflict into one united by hope and the pursuit of a better future. News of Alexander's remarkable achievements spread far and wide, inspiring countless individuals to take action in their own communities and strive for peace. He became a symbol of hope, a shining example of what could be achieved through diplomacy, empathy, and determination. In recognition of his extraordinary efforts, Alexander was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. But for him, the greatest reward was witnessing the positive impact his work had on the lives of countless people around the world. And so, the story of Alexander, the Global Peacemaker, serves as a powerful reminder that each and every one of us has the ability to make a difference. By fostering understanding, embracing empathy, and working tirelessly to resolve conflicts, we can create a world where peace and unity prevail. Let us draw inspiration from Alexander's story and become peacemakers in our own lives, contributing to a brighter future for generations to come.